Yo, it's your boy Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay guys, so a couple of weeks ago I made a video showing how to switch off 5G and switch to either 4G, 3G or 2G networks. And I noticed in the comment section of that video quite a few of the viewers from across the pond there in the United States had left comments saying that they don't have the option to switch to 4G or 3G or 2G. It simply says auto connect or manually connect. So us European S21 Ultra users, when we go into settings and connections and mobile networks, network mode, we get these options, but they don't get these options. For some reason, their network carrier have blocked these options. So basically, they're forced to stay on 5G by the looks of things. So at the moment, my network is on 5G. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually make the switch. So all you have to do, you don't need to root the phone. All you have to do is just go to the Play Store and type in Samsung band selection, and you will see it right here, Samsung band selection. And what this app does, this app will help you access hidden networks settings for forcing band selection. So basically this is going to force you to switch to 4G. So just install it and then open it up. And remember guys, at the moment, my network mode is set to 5G. So just launch band selection and it will bring up all these different bands, and just select LTE all, and then it will say success. So it's going to force the LTE, and then go back into settings, connections, mobile networks, and as you can see now it's switched from 5G to LTE only. Okay, so that's how you do it guys. That's how you force it to switch to 4G if you don't have the option to do it like I showed earlier in the video. If you don't get those options, if you don't get these options, just simply use this method to force the network to switch to 4G. It's that simple guys. Anyway, if it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'm out guys. Doses.